Today we will see class 12 economics macroeconomics unit 2 chapter 2 money and banking. Points to remember. Money may be defined as anything which is generally acceptable as a medium of exchange and also act as a common measures of value, store of value and standard of deferred payment. Supply of money. Total stock of money, currency notes, coins and demand deposits of banks in circulation as held by public at a given point of time. Measures of money supply is equal to currency held by public plus demand deposit of a bank. M is equal to C plus DD plus OD. Commercial bank. Commercial bank is a financial institution who accepts the deposits from a general public and provides the loans facilities for the investment with the aim of earning profit. Demand deposit. Demand deposit are those deposits which can be withdrawn from the bank on demand or by writing a check anytime. Central bank. The central bank is an apex institution of monetary and banking system of a country. It makes monetary policy of the country in public interest. It manages, supervises and facilitates the banking system of the country. Bank. Central bank, commercial bank. Central bank. It is an apex institution of monetary and banking system of account. Commercial bank. It is a financial institution which accepts deposits from the general public and giving loans for investment. Money creation or credit creation by commercial banks. Commercial banks demand deposit or the part of money supply. Commercial banks lend money to the borrowers by opening demand deposit account in their names. The borrowers are free to use this money by writing checks. According to the definition, demand deposit are a part of money supply. Therefore, by creating additional demand deposits, bank create money. Money creation demands upon two factors, primary deposits and legal reserve ratio, LRR. Deposit multiplier is equal to 1 by LRR. The total deposit creation is equal to initial deposit into 1 divided by LRR. The functions of central banks. 1. Bank of issue. 2. Banker of government. 3. Bankers bank and supervisor. 4. Controller of credit. Tools of credit control by central bank as RBI. The cash ratio, the cash reserve ratio, CRR. This refers to the proportion of total deposit of the commercial bank which they must keep as a cash reserves with the central bank. Statutory liquidity ratio, SLR. This refers to liquid assets of commercial banks which they must maintain in bracket on daily basis as a minimum percentage of the total deposits. Repo bank. It is the rate of the interest at which the central bank gives the short period loan to the commercial banks. Reserves repo bank. It is the rate of interest at which the central bank of a country borrows money from the commercial banks. Bank rate. It is the rate of interest at which the central bank gives the long-term loan to the commercial banks. Open market operations. Open market operations refer to the sale and purchase of the securities in the open market by the central bank. By selling the securities like National Savings Certificates, NSCs, the central bank soaks liquidity, cash from the economy, and by buying the securities, The central bank releases the liquidity. The margin requirement. The margin requirement refers to the difference between the current value of the security offered for loan called collateral and the value of the loan guaranteed. Suppose a person mortgaged his house worth rupees 1 crore with Thank you. Sharing is caring. Comment your thoughts. Subscribe for more knowledge.